Alright, you are welcome. This is Catalyst Tutorial Science Hub. This is where you get your premium tutorials on Waec, past questions, Neco, NATEP, IGSE, okay, Jamb, post-UTME. Alright, I'm your tutor, Adremi John, journey for Christ. Alright, so let's look into this question. This just concluded Waec 2006 section B, question 6. Alright, so just follow me. Okay, in a remedial school of 13 teachers, 8 teach government, 7 teach geography, which is represented by P, okay, because we have two government and geography GG, you cannot use GG, and 7 teach history, which is represented by H, 2 teach government and geography only, 2 teach government and history only, and 3 teach geography and history only. So you have to represent this in a Venn diagram and also find, okay, number of G, okay, intersect P, intersect H, like that. Alright, this is a question that students are finding it difficult, okay, on my group, so I just need to come and do justice to this. Alright, so we are asked to do Venn diagram. Let's go straight to the calculation. It's very simple, very simple. Alright, so Venn diagram is John Venn that discovered this. Okay, so let me just do a Venn diagram. Okay, just follow me. I'm not good in drawing, but follow me. Alright, so let's do a Venn diagram. Okay, just follow me. Alright, so okay, alright, so since we have, okay, universal set is 13 teachers, 13, just write 13 here. Okay, we are dealing with government, physics, geography and history. Alright, so let's do, and there must be, okay, there are so 2 ways or 3 ways you can draw Venn diagram that involve 3, okay, elements. Okay, so because this thing involve a connection of the 3, you have to draw it so that there will be a connection of the 3. The 3 we have a connected 9. Are you following? Nice one. Alright, okay. Alright, Samson, hope you are following me. Alright, Bimpe, okay. Let me just call random names like that. Alright, so the first things we are going to put here is government, and government is, they said government is what? Okay, 8. Alright, okay. Geography 7, history 7. Okay, so as someone that used to mark Waec, all this thing is a mark. Okay, I will show you the marking scheme they use for this, the marking guide, sorry. Alright, so where the 3 are connected, okay, this is the place where the 3 are connected. Now let's look at it. They said 2 teach government and history. This is government, this is history. This is where government and history connect. They said how many? 2. This is where government and history connect. 2 teach government, okay. 2 teach government and geography, sorry. 2 teach government and geography also, okay. Government and geography, 2 also. 3 teach geography and history. This is geography and history. Where the 3 connect, you always use X. This is where they all connect. Alright, so now did not say represent this formation in Venn diagram. We have done it. Alright, so this G is empty, this place they are empty. Just use alphabet. You can use W, X, Y. Okay, we have used X already. W, Z, Y, Z, or A, B, C. So let this one represent our G. Okay, this one should be B, and this one should be, you can any alphabet that follow each other. Alright, so you have to get the number of G first. Okay, geography and history. So how do we do it? Okay, hope you are following me. How do we do it? Let's come here. Alright, so let A, B, C represent, what do you make it represent? Okay, let it represent the geography, the government. The next one is what? Geography and history. So we have to find it. Okay, let's come to this place. Alright, for government, follow me please. You are free to ask questions. and you have so many ways you can get to this answer. All right, for government, okay, let's look at the government section. Look at the government side, okay. Let's look at the government side. Okay, this is government. What are the things under government? Look at it. Look at this government. Okay, what are the things under this circle? Inside this circle, you have a 2 x. So I'm going to do something like this. A, okay, plus 2 plus x plus 2 equal to what? Equal to total for government 8. So let's do something. A plus x plus 4 equal to 8. A plus x equal to 8 minus 4. This 4 will come outside. Alright, so a plus x equal to 4. So a equal to 4 minus x. This is for government. Alright, let's do for, I'm sure you understand what I'm doing, for geography. Alright, so let's look at geography. Everything inside this circle, b 2 3x. So you are going to have b plus 2 plus 3 plus x equal to 7. b plus x plus 5 equal to 7. b plus x equal to, okay, equal to what? Equal to 7 minus 5. So b equal to 2 minus x, x will come outside. For the next one, history, we are going to look at the history side. Look at the history family. Okay, let me be fast. We are going to have 2x. History is this 3 2. All right, so let's put history there. Now, can you see our history also? We have done our history. So let's look at the question that says, okay, find, okay, so let's find, okay, G intersect P intersect H. Okay, that we want to find everything where this connector, this X, okay, so we have to add everything together equal to the universal set. And these are the everything we are going to add. We are going to add A plus, okay, B plus C plus, let's add this number 2, okay, plus X plus 2, okay, plus 3. All right, I'm sure we have done that. So let's add, so our A, our A is this. Let's just say 4 minus x. Don't forget, don't let this confuse you. B is what? 2 minus x plus C is what? 2 minus x, okay, plus 2 plus x. So you are following? Plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus 3 equal to 13. Let's add up. Let's add up all the numbers. Let's see. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus the 15. We have 15. Let's look at the x. Minus x minus x, that's minus 2x. This x, we cancel this x. Minus 2x equal to 13. Alright, so what is the next thing? Alright, so 15. So I'm going to say minus 2x. This 15 will come out. Okay, equal to 13 minus 15. So minus 2x equal to 13 minus 15 is what? Minus 2. Minus cancel minus. So x equal to 2 over 2, it is 1. So our x is 1. Look at it. Our x is 1. Alright. So let me flip to the other side so that I can complete the remaining. Alright, so the remaining one is very simple. So okay, if x equal to 1, alright, so the next we are asked to do is what? Okay, P intersect H. Number of P intersect H. So look at the Venn diagram. Look at the Venn diagram. Okay, P intersect H. P intersect H. What is the common thing there? Okay, so when you see P intersect H, that's geography and H. Okay, this is their common factor. All right, if that is their common factor, okay, that is their common factor. So the geography and history, that is geography and history only. So when you look at geography and history, let's look at geography and history here. That's 3. Okay, so it will be 3 plus x, the general factor. Geography and history only. Okay, they have to add it with everyone that did All teachers that did the subject. So that is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Okay, the third one, all right, says, okay, P union H intersects, P union H, yes, prime or complement, P union H complement, okay, they now intersect with it G. All right, so what that means is that okay, those people that do not offer this, they do not offer this, okay, and nothing. All right, so both this one are okay, they'll be cancelled. You focus on G only, because that's what they mean, only government. So only government. And what is government? Look at government, only government. This is only government, for government alone, a minus x. So you have a minus x, okay. You have 4 minus x, sorry, 4 minus x. And what is our x? 4 minus 1, which is what? 3. So that is the Waec solution to that question 6. Okay, the more Waec we are going to solve. So look at it, it's very simple if you follow the order of mathematics. Is about steps. This is all about steps. Okay, it's all about steps. If you follow all the steps, you are going to get your answer. All right, so anyone that is not clear, so drop your comments. Let me see, let's tackle it. Okay, if you have another ways you can get the answer, drop it there. I love to learn from students as you also learn from me. This is, don't forget, subscribe and like. Thank you, so that I can come with another wonderful solution. Stay blessed.